Kia ora, my name is Madi.
In Moatai Winton School, I'm Matariki. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for our meeting the 27th of Movember.
Mustache! Okay, we start the day with a special report from the bike shed.
Thanks for that, guys. I'm Ashlyn.
And I'm Richard.
And we're reporting live from the newly improved bike shed.
Let's go take a look.
Everything's looking good here.
I think Room 11 did a great job on all these new scooter racks. Just remember, before you put them in, turn the handlebars like that and then put them down. Here's a good example of how to park your bike.
Yeah, you decided to put it on the high level so we could have more parks like here. Well, that concludes our bike shed report.
Back to you guys. Thanks for that. Car pie, I love the new scooter rack.
Me too. Okay, hi VIZ VESTS. Kia ora to students wearing them to and from school. Everyone needs to wear one.
And a reminder about wearing your sun hats at interval and lunchtimes. Anyone outside without a hat goes under the shade.
Okay, Slurpers are on sale today. Buy the barbecue, $1 each. Wrappers in the bin.
In the bin, koutou. It's a windy day. In the bin, I say. Kia ora.
Okay, let's get into te Kupu or te Wiki. This week's word is toru.
Which is te reo for three, as in e toru ngā mea. There are three things.
Ngā mea ngā nawe e ki ana.
Okie dokie, Winton's Got Talent news. All finalists have a full dress rehearsal on Monday after lunch.
And Mr. Chapman would also like everyone's finalist paper in today. Kia ora.
Okay, birthday news. None today at Winton School, but
tomorrow Les and Brookleaf are both turning 8. Happy birthday, Sissy!
Hooray, birthday time! Rafano kia kiu! Have a happy birthday, ladies.
And that's it for the week. From us all here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite te rawaki.
Share the shed and hide it out when you go.